No, but you, why did it look like that? Wait, no, wait a minute. Four slippers. There's nobody to be disrespecting people.
Get your coin, baby. Get your coins.
It's a tape.
Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia Moore. Go over to our Viva channel. Listen to our music. Stream it up, no man. We golden. Bad artists. Cool it.
Him a vlog me and me a vlog him. Them my kid, him wants to me. Hi Zanzan, what's up? You know a girl Alicia Moore, yeah. Pretty badness to say outside. Yes guys, I'm gonna start my vlog now because them are gonna start my vlog, you know. We're back again with another video. And we're on the scene today. Zamar the kid is out here with me. And we are going on a place, so I go see what I go on. The people that reach out there?
Yeah, we're bunker inside.
Where are they?
Inside.
What's it?
CrankUp need the assistance.
That's why I'm here. I'm not here to go in that video.
I know, like.
Okay. I know, like, you know, you're the same stress. Oh, I'm saying he's stress. I could chat to him. I'm saying he's stress.
Guys, they're stressful with you.
Them stressful.
That one just says she had to here until I try.
At this hour?
Yeah, them crazy.
That must sound so good.
So, yeah.
Good afternoon.
Dragon, come into the room.
The visuals, see me?
Yeah.
The visuals.
Lord, what's up? Are you right, I forgot we're going to listen to some
Guys, we're going to sit. We live back to the visuals.
The video?
Vlog.
Live, fully live. Big up yourself, you know?
Fully
For the
live.
vlog, like, comment, subscribe. You see it, fully live.
That's cool, that's cool.
Yeah.
You don't know one celestial, you hear that? What you know, man?
Remember last week he married now.
Last week he married and but what you know, man? No, the last week married, last week they engaged us.
Last week he engaged.
December already, you hear that? But
Wicked, you're full of money, man. At the fastest wedding this ever, the engagement in September, November, December, the wedding.
That is it,
man. Wife
Rich and not talk alike.
Alright, guys, we're up on the set. I don't know. We're outside, man. You know, we'll flip it. You know, we'll come down on the channel already. We're outside today. We're being an assistant today on the set. We're not actually going on the video. So now I'm going to taste that the girls and make me see all the nice girls that are in the video today. Yeah, I'm going to make sure so to check out CrankUp TV. We're not forget the sauce. Yeah, CrankUp TV, alright? That nice good as yours. Here, but don't look like it come from Shein. Say hi, pretty. Oh, hello. She look like an African girl for sure. Alright, we're outside. So we're here with, come again, we're here with
Titi African Doll.
Titi African Doll. Titi, why we're here today?
Well, I guess to find a man.
You come here to find a man.
I guess so.
What's your type, Titi?
Love when them thick and black and rich, yeah?
Thick, black and rich. So the man will come out today, supposed to not like him. You gonna fake it?
Well, no, maybe like him, you know.
Yeah, fake it. Tell
like
the viewers something about Titi. Tell the viewers what you like to do.
I like to dance. I'm like shake up dance. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And what you like to do for fun?
Eat. Eat food. Not else would eat food.
Alright, Titi, tell the people where you can find you on the gram.
So, on all socials, Titi _ African Doll. That's
Alright.
it.
Thank you, babe. Get on 360. Get on 360. Ooh, I smell nicely. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
Shania. You just put on the spot so like...
I saw me like it. I saw me like it. Like instant reaction.
Alright, my name is Shania, and you can follow me at Shania_Palmer_ on IG and on TikTok. And you don't know, say, I feel win a joke.
Why you can't win? Why you can't win?
No, it's not fair, you have to tell them.
I don't know the people.
So won't book like that, did I vlog? And they bring your people. They brought me right side.
You know, so I don't like you. Why you have to beat it?
No, but then.
I mean,
Right side. You lock it down, you know.
Yeah, so you one first box. You hear me? I say no man.
Rich.
Let them never keep a hear that. Believe man, I want first box, man. Yeah.
What the phone?
It's a tape? No, it's not very real.
You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you. Alright, so we're here with a very exciting one today, guys. Alright, someone tell the viewers what's your name on Instagram first of all.
My name is Bad Girl HQ Shelly. My business name is Shelly Gun Boutique.
Give them a 360, Shelly.
Look like a Christian.
Shelly look nice and I look a minute
Look
over.
like a Christian.
So Shelly, can you tell the viewers why you're here today?
You know what I'm saying? We come to go on ourselves on the show as usual.
You're here to find a match, Shelly?
Yeah.
Suppose the person would come out here like the vibes.
They're not gonna like the vibes, but they know say,
What is your type, Shelly? Tell the viewers what is your
what my
type.
type? I just one was say, I'm telling one item. I not have no type. I just know say loyalty, yeah, and personality, yeah. Me good with that.
So you don't care how them look, big belly, flat belly, tall, dark, short.
Alright, when I cool, I don't like maga man. I want man with a blue cool. Not this up. So when it's home with them, like up in the bed, I have to use no pillow. I have to use no pillow, I have to look at something, I have something.
Wait, Shelly, you don't mind the tummy?
The tummy. You have to look at tummy.
You like the cushion?
Yeah, so
like that.
the one with the shit gut, you know, the big old gut hole.
The extra gut man them is not for Shelly, but if you have a little cushion, Shelly will work with you. Alright.
What else have I asked me now?
Shelly, what do you like to do for fun?
Yeah, them sitting here. Alright, my fun time, I work part of vision sales, they come on live.
What can a man do to excite you?
Come here Christian, so 70s, I can't talk for me.
You're Christian, Shelly?
Yeah, I'm Christian.
Are you out today in another minute?
Just to know me a Christian.
Alright, tell the people once again when they can find you, tell them you're the first time.
Bad Girl HQ Shelly, I look on business page. Shelly Gun Boutique, and I forgot my team. One Jack Jazz Boss team.
Big up Shelly team.
Yeah, when you can come my location, the bar all of them. Somewhere 71 East Avenue, that I don't have to one, right at Central Point.
I like how Shelly promotes our business.
And tomorrow, listen up, tomorrow is Jack Jazz Sunday. Monday is Retro Monday.
We're going on Tuesday.
And they say, no, we're not on Tuesday. They say Wednesday. I'm going to tell you, say Wednesday, Freaky Wednesday. So more all of the girls come out and go.
Give them the address again, Shelly, for Freaky Wednesday.
Freaky Wednesday, member, right at 71. And don't tell me so, Central so. We can't miss the bar.
Yeah, miss it. Topless girls are going there, Shelly?
Yeah, topless girls.
I'll be your nice, so check it out. Bye-bye.
One Jack Jazz bar.
Outside! The weed. The weed on the light on one chair, so like.
Listen, guys, hear that? No, man. No, the edibles, that's what it is. The edibles, you come and said, God, we're not do this.
You know who weed to edibles men? You see, I watch a lot of men take edibles and what do you call the thing again? They literally carry all of my bridges in the when they eat that little something.
No, because the problem is the paranoia that most men get after that. Remember, man, like, you know, I state
You like edibles?
No, I'm gonna do it. You know, I said the one time I take it, I look on Jesus and said, God, you look on Jesus and say, that's the reason why we do so commercialized is because the government actually allow people to benefit alcohol. They want people to The actual spiritual aspect of it is very deep.
My neck is so
The weed is a spirit. It's a sacrifice. You see, like Rasta man, Rasta people do it as a sacrificial. It's a sacrificial thing. When you see Rastas now, I don't know, but my always with Rasta is a sacrificial thing. Them not just smoke at them, so them get high like weed. Them just say it's a sacrificial thing. Real Rasta, real Rasta.
And then talk about medicine, literally everything. Because me high, I need just one for just zone. You know, like I'm on crazy and you're just all over the place.
Yeah. Like for me, one of the things that it helped with, like if you're coming from a hard day at work, like it's just like immediately roll up a split.
That's what I'm saying.
And you just de-escalate. Yeah.
So it takes you from the hustle and the bustle. It's a form of meditation. People use weed for what for this.
True.
People use any form of drugs in different type of
Where is it again, man? Where is it from?
Like really amazing. And say go smoke now. You actually remember everything when you never did.
So you know, go back
That's some more, bro. Right there, my same sport we forget to see. Slyme fun. Inside smoking to see.
Yo, people, what you know? Sleep take your home for your mother. What you say? When I grab up on a date? When I get up on a date?
Yeah, man, that can work out.
I can go on?
Yeah, man, I can go on.
What you say?
My side, I want to say comment in the comment section.
Type shit?
Who I go for a
Comment
date?
type shit. You don't know what I'm going.
Type kya?
Type key?
Yeah.
It's a clown.
Type shit, bro.
Type shit. What type shit then?
Type shit there. Type shit in the UK.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
up type shit.
You're
Type
traveling
shit
in
like-
Birmingham, yeah? Over Tasty Jerk, yeah?
Okay.
people start drinking realistically at the age of 18, 20.
Oh.
No, you who so start drink early. No,
No, we can't swear.
Realistically, if you do a census and gather numbers, no, not mind you. That's what I'm saying. Our generation start drinking very early. But back in the days, nobody's drinking at fucking 16, 15. Nobody's drinking at that age. We are drinking from 15.
We want drink from 13. 13?
No,
Serious.
that's what I'm saying. Some people are, you can't count a small group in the minority. But me, I tell you, so we drink more than it. When me hear say, really, they now push on a rum till 20.
You want to know why they don't talk about the music? I bring the something, you know, them a talk about. No, I'm telling you, the brand. What the fuck? Like Johnny Walker. Oh, we are talking about, brother. Yes, but I'm saying
It's not
something
just
I
something wrong.
but the
She had her
music,
fun.
the culture.
Yeah.
The music drives it. The music drives the spirit that's in the room. Yeah. The music drives the spirit that's in the room. Yeah.
Because spirits, people don't understand it.
It is.
Every name, every battle is a different spirit. What do you mean? What kind of spirit?
The spirit of drunkenness.
Who the fuck is Ray? Who them? Where I come from?
I don't let me talk. Every carries a spirit. of
Somebody
energy.
leave it now.
When you're
I'm
drinking,
gonna be respect them.
when you're drinking some energy,
I'm a boy. Ray, I don't love you. I'm a boy.
No any sick boy can come
No,
cross.
I'm not doing that.
Never.
Ray, I could do.
Who did they want photo shoot? Who did they want photo shoot? And after the photo shoot is done, and then out in a done.
Let's stop to start CrankUp. Let's stop to start CrankUp.
but you always just do this. I'm sorry. You always
Full stress. Guys, let's stop stressing over when it's coming out. Complete video them, man. Tell them again. Tell them 1 o'clock. But
So what I would do,
If you don't know what you're doing, kill your own self. For sure. You say one word kill your fuck. And the two will go watch it. That alone kill you.
I see them build
Yeah.
think that man with the
Yeah, that is long time. But it was free when I then start with piano.
No man, it not be long time. It doesn't finish up the right way. It a be long time for true. But it a finish up the right way, you know.
Then some of them know.
China?
Then start piano. Yes, start piano.
Yeah, you know anything what Jamaicans do now?
Then start piano.
Anything what Jamaicans do now?
So a long time you go on my little tour then. And when me go on the road still up.
You see, I say no pin out with my car when you got river. They say the cannot money do not come up from sea. You see, I go there and somebody gonna be and I took out bomb. Hey, just next number. We can't do money like car.
Doing the vlog for the shoot today.
I'm not here so good.
Come on, light here pretty. Come on. Oh, you one light in the good. Make sure my catch up face. I'm going to say intimate. So, what's your name?
Ashanti.
Ashanti. Hi, Ashanti is very beautiful by the way, guys. In person, not sure what you was on camera, but in person, she's very beautiful. We get the full thing. Full outfit, 360. I love the hair. All right, Ashanti, why are we here today?
I'm basically here because I'm curious who the surprise artist is.
Okay, and you're gonna give us your best shot. Are you here to win?
Let's hope so.
So what's the attitude or like? Are you gonna pretend? Are you gonna be real?
Be real, not fake it.
I like that for you. Tell the viewers where they can find you on the gram.
On Instagram, y'all can find me on heartless._.don.
Repeat it.
Heartless._.don.
Tell the viewers something about you.
I'm very jovial. I'm a party fan. Extremely funny. Serious at most points. And yeah.
What you like to do for fun?
What I do for fun is basically, you know, I'm adventurous, so.
You're adventurous?
Yeah.
What kind of guy you like though? Honestly, I want you to tell me what you really like in a guy, what you really look for. If you were supposed to find a match today, what are you expecting of him?
Well, to be honest, enough too up there.
What is up there?
Too high.
You don't like them too high. Calm and humble.
Be calm, be normal. You know what? Let me get for life. Let me see what you actually make up.
What can make you like them though? What can they do to make you like them?
Alright, like, basically what you can do is don't flash your vanity in front of them.
Not too flashy.
Yeah, don't flash it. Like, if you drive a car like one Benz, baby, you know some driver. No.
That's
Baby,
not
you know
impressive
some-
for you.
No.
Alright, so you're just like a calm guy. Do you have anything specific like physical appearance that you like about a guy?
Physical appearance, well, I like when a man look a bit taller than me because
You're
I'm
tall.
5'8".
He's pretty
So
tall
you
guy.
look taller than me and dark skin because basically I'm white.
Tall and dark, guys. So if you don't find a match today and you see Ashanti right now, get into the Instagram. Tell me Instagram.
It's heartless._.don.
Jump in at the DM if you like Heartless, alright? Period. Hi, who are we here with today?
I'm Laura.
You're Laura. Laura, you look shy though.
Kinda.
Laura, do you want to tell us why you're here today?
Honestly, I don't know.
You don't know?
It's actually Nor, not Laura.
No, it's Nor. That's a pretty unusual, pretty name. Alright guys, so we're here with Nor today. Nor, you're not sure why you're here today? Well, I think you're here to find a match. Alright? Something special, someone special. What if the person that shows up is not someone that's your type?
I walk away.
You're gonna walk away?
I waste my time. I waste my time.
No, it's the time. What do you like though in someone? What is your type?
Somebody who's tall.
Tall. Tall seems to be the order of the day. So someone that's tall and someone that provides. Any other physical feature that you're looking forward to?
No belly.
Huh?
No belly.
No belly. You like them slim. Wait, no good. No belly, right? Anything else? Tell the viewers something about you.
She's a nerd.
I'm an entrepreneur.
You're an entrepreneur. Yo, any business you want to promote? It's a chance, girl.
We keep a night each. We're having one tonight on the 28th. So, yes.
Night beach, that sounds unusual and different. What kind of things happen on the night beach, Nor?
Anything can happen.
Anything? Oh! Alright, where can the viewers find you?
You can find me Elite_.
That's it. Cool.
They say anything can happen on the beach?
Alright. So guys, we'll have a nice, handsome meal here today. I'm going to make him tell them about yourself. Come
No, I'm
on.
not handsome, ugly.
Business, but dance.
Ugly man.
Alright, why are you here today, first of all?
You know what they're part of the team, you know?
You're there for help out. It's in a girl here where you like?
Eh?
It's in a girl here where you like?
Yeah, you know.
It's somebody where you like?
Yeah, but
You approach her yet?
no, I'm focused on myself, so no, I don't want her.
I don't understand that.
What do you
Why
mean?
focus on somebody where you like?
Focus on myself.
Alright, so somebody will want focus on you. Which part them can find you right now on the ground?
Celestial_king, you know. Or if you want to see on the YouTube, Celestial Mission, isn't it?
Alright, I'm gonna follow me here, guys. I'm outside and cleaned up.
Outside for the summer.
I want to rich. No boy,
That's richness.
Get your coin, baby. Get your coin.
Touch it, babe.
Oh, big up CrankUp TV. You see, pray if I'm a CrankUp TV and not TV. Believe no man.
You're still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you. So today we're here with Tish look nice. Tish nice and her teeth them nice. Tish, why are you here today?
No, I'm just bored.
You're bored? You not come to find a man? You not come to find a man? And I couldn't ready yet, come. So tell me why you come today. Why are you here today?
Find a match.
To find a match. What's your type? What's your type?
Dark skin niggas.
Dark skin niggas? That's all?
Yeah.
What a man can do to make you really like him? Money?
Yeah.
I like your answer though.
And personality, respectful personality, and you know take care of him.
So the only thing I like as feature is tallness. You don't like nothing more?
What say?
You don't like nothing more outside of tallness?
I'm like one nigga then.
Tall and full of money. That's it. If him ugly, it no matter.
No, if I'm attractive.
What you like to do for fun, by the way?
Pardon me?
What you like to do for fun?
Play netball.
Oh, Tish is a netball. Get him the 360 now. Oh.
This man don't do.
Alright, tell the people when them can find you, Tish.
On Instagram, Tish.
Them are the kid.
Man, that's it.
All social. Canvas.
Guys, so the pretty boy here, pretty boy them are. I'm all over them man. Zoom in. See me look good now, and I see him good on TV. Look at him now.
Bye.
I don't do that stress here. I was stressing him out.
Ah, like that. Yeah, like here. Yeah, what's it up there?
One the poor. A video about the one in the poor fell on 2 seconds. 2 seconds. A video.
Namaste, I am girl Linda Brat. You can find me everywhere at Linda Brat. No underscore, no same way yourself. Yeah.
Linda Brat, why are you here today?
We can't say anything. Well, my day I'm going
You're not here to find a match, you're here to win.
It doesn't matter if you win or not, you know. Anything will happen.
Alright, Linda, I want to know your type. What kind of man you like?
I like small guys. And I like no broke me man.
What?
To the word with that.
Typically what you like?
Physically, well, I like personality.
Like
You know, a good personality, I can be with you. If you don't believe in a God, you can't live with any job. Yeah.
what can a man do to impress you?
What kind of man impress you?
What can a man do to impress you?
I don't think there is something. I don't know. Well, if you
Give
smell
some
good,
money, buy some, give anything, girl. Well,
you
man
have to
can.
smell good.
Ah.
First off, hygiene is number one. So yeah.
Alright. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to go out and have fun.
So you're a party girl, then?
Yeah.
Alright, that sounds good. Sometimes. Anything you want to tell the people, them? Alright, big up you, Lynn. Wait, before I go, who do you think is inside?
What is that?
Who do you think is inside? Not here. You're just there for the money. Jayden?
Yeah.
Somebody picture.
No.
Somebody picture. Alright, so tonight we're here with
Kelly.
Kelly, why are you here today?
Well, I'm just here for the experience. Have fun.
Are you hoping to find a match today?
Not really.
Who do you think is inside?
Who do I think? I don't know.
You
Let's
don't
not keep it anonymous.
Alright, what's your type though? If you're gonna find your man tonight, what would you like him to look like physically? What's your type though? What's your type?
What's my type? Well, ambitious. Knowing one's own life and loving family man.
You don't look for nothing physically? You don't look for nothing physical things like tall, dark?
Well, yeah. I like tall.
You like tall guys? Alright. Where can they find you on the social media?
Well, yeah, my Instagram is one Candid.
What do you like to do for fun?
I'm like adventurous stuff.
Like riding? Yeah. You like going on dinner days? What man can do to impress you? Make you smile?
Well, just do things without the people without me asking.
What you call out of the blue?
Like, you listen to what I like. Listen to how just get into a character.
You like a man with listen? Alright, I love that for you. Anything you want to say to the viewers?
Just stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Guys, so right now the girls don't know who's on the inside. They're all going to give their natural reaction. Alright? Shelly over here, so she tell people them say Ashanti and Cartel. What do you think it is, African? Take a guess. Girl, not here. Who do you think is inside?
I think it
No, I'm nice. Go ahead. I know who you said.
Shelly, I bring my sugar home.
is. We think it is.
I know that.
I can't tell.
Anybody?
So hard to do. How much artist today?
Who you like to see inside? They know how to see them. They know the bed shell is. Watch you out, what ear you know. Wait for now, you say a curtain. Curtain Sunday. What do you think outside? What do you think it is? Who would you like it to be?
Would like it to be?
Who would you want it to be?
Somebody like
I want that.
I don't
think it's him, but
That's what you want it to be? Nice. Love that for you. So say I want a funny share up, say I want a do a obsession song. You want it to be Cartel.
No, we never say Cartel. What do I name of the
You think I want the son there, so she think a Cartel's son. Who do you think it is over the side? Oh, I think it's from the inside.
next to that.
Who do you want to be in there?
Who would I want to be? I just say Diani, but I know it's not Diani. So.
Diani?
Yeah, I wouldn't want Diani, but I just feel like it's Dexter.
You feel like it's Dexter that's nicey? Who do you want to be inside?
Eminem. But I don't like. I'm a greatest. They say somebody was greater than Chris Brown, so I must Eminem.
Them said somebody tell us that somebody greater than Chris Brown?
Yeah, so I must Eminem in there.
I mean,
you would want it to be Eminem?
Yeah.
Nice. But who do you think is in there though?
Cartel.
I like how they think I got them. Who do you want it to be inside? Little baby. Alright, and if it's not, you want it to be little baby, but who do you think is really in there?
Excuse me, I don't have a clue.
Alright, realistically it might not be little baby, so if you go local, who would you choose?
I don't know, and it's probably when I cartel from them.
When I cartel from them?
Yeah,
short one or the tall one?
Honestly,
little Addy or little bag?
maybe the little Addy, the last one.
Last one. Alright. So you heard it, them are one to them.
I'm like, I should just come artist, myself one period. Shit, man. They're just a little baby. Like, little baby.
You. Is that a match? Is that a match?
No,
So maybe you can take her from little Abby or little bags.
Huh?
Maybe you can take her from little Abby or little bags. Is that a match? Stay faithful.
On YouTube, they say every week they were singing.
I can't find a match I know them are too bad for you. They will shoot them.
Ready?
Alright guys, so we're gonna start now. Alright, so guys, we're still on the set, and of course you see we're doing the reactions then, and we're making us see behind the scenes how the girls feel, of course, after they meet the mystery person. Yeah, so basically the girl in the set don't know how them feel. Yeah, so when I watch the video, we're not gonna know how the girl them feel when them go inside when they watch that one here. Alright, go on, stay tuned.
Everybody come over there at the DMT. May I ask if it work?
work?
Yeah. What kind of work?
It's a promo, sell tickets, promote events, model and vixen.
No, me is a fire.
So,
It's a no fire.
what is your opinion? You want to be fly?
So, as you know, I'm a grown woman. I have lots of experience. I take really good care of myself so that I can please myself and please my partner when he needs that pleasure. But I like a partner. Yeah, I want to ask you now. Yeah. I'd like to know, if you were my partner, what type of pleasure would you give me? They came off a little rude at first, but I kind of know how to handle myself, and I did that and I got 2 yeses.
Oh, so you passed?
Yeah.
Alright, what's that for you, babe? Alright, what was your experience like?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
4 slippers.
Slippers? So you get a no?
No, that's not.
Oh, but them carry them to the slippers?
Yeah, I don't like that.
What was your experience like?
It was terrible. Because
You get a yes?
I got a yes from the two of them, but
What was terrible about it?
they're nobody to be disrespecting people. They're nobody
Don't
to
like
be
that for
disrespecting
them.
nobody.
You're not, you know, well,
Because when I have nobody, I didn't look me. You never tell us they disrespect me. You ask me more, she can say
So we are definitely like that I don't shit pan.
How?
I didn't say it. You never say it. You never say it. I didn't say it. Alright then.
Can I see me go ahead?
No.
You see my belly.
Okay. That's it?
Are you staying with me? You know how to stay already. You can't let them come back.
That's fine.
No, are you staying with me?
Come back, yeah?
Come back.
No, come back.
Alright.
Kill the fire.
It was nice to meet you still.
Kill the fire out of the back. You ready?
Yeah, man, I want to leave. I don't even know who they are. Okay.
What if people know who we are? Really?
Alright, then you're rich,
Yes,
right?
then we pray.
What was the experience like?
Huh?
What was the experience like?
First of all, I don't even know who they are. But, so I thought them like Tweedledee and Tweedledum. One. Why? Them not even make one. That's what I was saying. I look like one message I could have broke one of them. If me listen up.
Did you get a yes?
I got 2 years.
Yeah.
Lady, more.
What was the experience like? What was the experience like?
Oh, they must say absolutely nothing to me. They were so nice to me.
Alright, so you like you enjoy the experience?
Look to the channel.
Did you get a yes?
20.
2 years. Awesome. Your experience like?
Well, I better than this say who was a TikTok and as an artist card. What?
You never like it?
No, I don't eat.
What was your experience like? You're going inside and you're not by level.
I'm not going inside it.
You're not by level. Not by level.
No, very much.
You're going. What was your experience like?
It was okay. When I get no bad remarks.
When I get a bad remark, you like what you see? You like
No,
the
I
vibe?
like how I smell like them. But, you know,
Don't. That person there?
that one, the coach, kind of be a little bit rude, but he might try to be rude, but he can't kind of fault.
You get a yes?
Yeah, but this year it's alright.
Love that for you. Wait, don't wait. Let them go in. Come on, Slyme, come back. I don't know why he's abusive right now. Come talk to me. What was the experience like?
Let us see the video.
You get a yes, sis?
Yes,
You get a yes? You like the experience? What?
I feel like I want to cry right now.
I want to do it.
They never talk to me, you know, but they didn't know what they look at.
Let's get a yes, guys.
The mama was walking me. Mama didn't no, but you, why they look like that? I said, what are you doing wrong? See, man, you don't have the key, I said, let me take it, so. I have the key, and them fingers. So I said, how was that far? It said, no, I'm just show you my ring, man. So I said, you want me to go for mine too? Oski. Well, yeah, Oski. I said Oski, key. So you want me to go for? Huh?
No. You can come now after her. Ask questions. What was your experience like?
I never know if I expect, but it was.
You get a yes? That's something like
Alright, so we're eliminating one more. Feed. You want to eliminate one more?
Slyme. What you say? God, them two young love right, that right place. Come on. good enough, good enough.
Say good enough.
No, I can say 2 weeks of stay, you know.
Alright, so you're good with it. You have to pick one.
Me have pick sheep.
You have to pick sheep. I got some picking by the side here. So you have pick one?
Me have pick you too.
So who would have done that? Who would have done that? You're good with it?
Yeah.
Put the body now.
Good, you're right here. So.
Alright, you're good with your match? Good? Are you good with your match? You're good with your match? That's so like you're sure.
That's so like you're sure.
But good? You can't pick the other winner, you know. Alright, you're good with your match? Come into the two and I'll get to know. Alright, then here we go, guy. We don't want to know. Walk over to the match. Just walk over to the match. Like the winner. We're good? Yeah, they want to picture them on you. We do some big boy body.
Oh my god. CrankUp don't know. It's the most stress I ever experienced in my life. Guys, I know we're stopping at the pop time. After such a long night of working, we have to grab some food because we're not going out. Never really showed them my outfits now, but we don't really care about that. It's a working day. But yeah, we're stopping at Popeyes. And we're gonna get some food. Guys, I'm not really like a Popeyes lover, but me I get it tonight because you don't know what else gonna eat from a Popeyes. I'm not going home, but I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna eat Popeyes tonight. Alright, guys, look for me. I'm with myself and I'm gonna talk to myself. You ready? Anyways, alright. So I'm gonna get one three something. And juice and fries and stuff. Where's the man? You know, I don't want to go. 2-3 please, Megan. Guys, we got the food, and make sure I show you the food because everyone on the now go see my face before the vlog finish. Because we will consume this, but I just make you know, right? Like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment and let me know how you feel about the video. I don't know, as a girl, Alicia, I'm more in the cut, you know, we do, you know, we flip it, you know, we get down on this channel. Want soon comment, you know, want soon tell me the things, and tell me if you like the video, tell me what you think about the girl, tell me everything what you can possibly tell me, alright? Yeah! Pretty badness.
Yes, so you don't know really so easy. You don't know. Big up Alicia more. Go over to our Viva channel, listen to our music, stream it up, no man. We're golden. Bad artists, really.